Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. Today was my birthday, so I've got all these amazing goodies that my friends and family have gifted to me, and some of which, like these old Schleich figures, are a part of my childhood. They were some of my favorite figures to collect back in the day, and I never got around to completing the collection, so getting my hands on these three wonderful old figures was an absolute blast. I also got the new Amber collection figures that came out in Canada. Some really nice books, paleo books, magazines, other Jurassic World related merchandise, some Lego. Finally got the Ahsoka set so I can complete my my squad of the main characters from the Clone Wars, and this really cool compound set along with an additional fence piece, Funko board game, a Jurassic Park 3 mug. So you can see it's got the Spinosaurus on the side and the original park logo, Rex, and I think there's a raptor somewhere on here too. Or not, maybe just a Pteranodon. Yeah, so that's really cool. Also some Chatmay Ornitholestes. These guys are pretty nostalgic as well. And a alien base plate, which I'm going to use for some photography. So yeah, that's a pretty awesome haul. I'm really glad I got all this amazing stuff, and I can't wait to review it all in future videos. So keep your eyes out for those, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.